There's a blizzard coming on. I'm wishing I was home. For my pony's lame and he can hardly stand. Listen to that northern sigh. If we don't get home, we'll die. But it's only 7 miles to Marianne. It's only 7 miles to Marianne. You can bet we're on her mind, for it's nearly supper time. And I'll bet that there's hot biscuits in the pan. Or my hands feel like they're froze, and there's a numbness in my toes. But it's only 5 more miles to Marianne.
Who's Marianne?
It's only 5 more miles to Marianne. That wind's howling and it seems mighty like a woman's screams. And we best be moving faster if we can. Dan, just think about that barn with that hay so soft and warm. For it's only 3 more miles to Marianne.
Can't wait till you get there.
It's only 3 more miles to Marianne. Dan, get up, you ornery cuss, or you'll be the death of us. I'm so weary, but I'll help you if I can. All right, Dan, perhaps it's best that we stop a while and rest. For it's still 100 yards to Marianne. It's still 100 yards to Marianne. Late that night, the storm was gone, and they found him there at dawn. He'd have made it, but he just couldn't leave old Dan. Yes, they found him on the plains. His hands froze to the rain. He was just 100 yards from Marianne. He was just 100 yards from Marianne.
Give it up for Cleo.